Nicolão! Quem é esse?
It's Nicholas.
É o Nicholas?
Oh, it's Jamie. It's Gravy. Oh, watch out! A curving soul. Stop it anymore.
Mostra pra mamãe o Nicholas. Eu quero ver o Nicholas. A gente vai mostrar pra vovó e pra vovó. Mostra. Tira o papel da frente. Tira o papel. So we can see Nicholas. Cadê a roupa do Nicholas?
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping. What's that on his back?
His home is ready for.
Wow, that is so cool.
Now he's dreaming right now.
He's dreaming right now. Você não vai mostrar pra mamãe?
He acordou again.
Ele acordou again? Onde você fez o Nicholas?
Nicholas is a crayon. The crayon. Now take a picture.
Mamãe tá taking picture. Mamãe is filming. Mamãe is making a movie.
Oh, I'm spinning around.
Goofy. O que é esse papel aí? Mostra pra mamãe.
It's a papel Nicholas.
E esse aí, que tá na sua perna?
It's a papel.
No, what is this one here?
It's a opa.
This one here.
It's hopa.
What's that one?
It's hopa.
É roupa?
And this is the hopa.
Oh. What's that on his back? What's that?
It's Nicholas.
And
it's letters.
ah.
And what's on his head?
What is that on his head?
Cabeza. And what's on his eyes?
Let me see his eyes.
Why, what's on his nose?
É o olho?
Oh no. I think I forgot nose.
You forgot the nose. It's okay. It's okay.
He has white and azul. White and azul. White and azul.
A white and azul.
And he's have green.
Green pants.
And he's have black.
Black what?
It's black. And I did it.
Wow.
I
Good job. And what's that one, Nicolão? What's that one?
It's Nicholas' name.
Is that your name? Let me see. I want to see your name.
See?
Let me see your name. Where is it?
What's the name?
Oh, there it is. I see it. On the other side. Ah, you found it.
Oh, sorry.
Mostra pra vovó e pro vovô. Mostra.
Stop. I was sleeping.
Mostra. Is that your Nicholas? Mostra pra mamãe.
Reading.
Mostra pra mamãe. I want to see.
Reading.
You're reading? Okay, fine.
He's doing this dancing. He's going to the school and then it was dancing and then it was D and he's still O and Q and S.
Wow, good
That's
job.
going to the S and he's going to school. I said it.
Good job. Dá pra você mandar um beijo pra vovó e pro vovó?
I gotta do it again.
Manda um beijo pro vovó e pro vovó.
You still when they going to school. I say it again.
You said it again. Good job. Agora manda um beijo pra vovó e pro vovó. Fala, I love you, vovó, vovó.